Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a post for your Facebook in Adobe Photoshop. To make a post, first you need a picture and the text to show what your post is about. In my case, I'm making a post for my page for addiction recovery. So now let's find the image first. This is the website that I'm using for the photos. These are the royalty free images and you can use it anywhere you want. So as my post is about addiction recovery, I'm just going to write the addiction recovery here. And here are some of the images. Now I'll find the image that will be suitable for my post. Now this one looks good, so I'll be using this one. I will copy this image and I'll go back to the Photoshop. Now I'll be creating a new file. The width will be 1920 and the height will be 1080. And I'm going to put the resolution at about 100. And click on create now, and here you got the background layer that is 1920 into 1080. I'm going to paste the image here that we copied before, like by pressing Ctrl and V, and here you got the image. I was going to select this one and press Ctrl plus T to fill out the image. That is good enough. Hit enter. Now I will add the text. Here you can select that type tool, just click on here. Now I'll be pasting the text that I have. Now I'll be changing its font to Memorial Lane, and I'm going to align it to the center as well by selecting the move tool, and here you go. I'm going to bring it down something like that. Yeah, that's look good. I'm going to add the other text that I have. Now I'm going to paste it here. I'm just going to decrease the points. Around the 45 will be good enough. Yeah, that's good. And just click on this tick mark, and here you go. Now I'm going to change the color to white. And again I'll be selecting this layer and this layer to center align the text, and there you go. Now I'll create a new layer and I will use the marquee tool to add the background highlight for the text. Now I'll be adding the Instagram handle of the page. I'll be changing its font to the same as the above. I'm going to hit OK and Ctrl plus T to resize it, and hit this tick mark. Now I will select this one and this layer, use the move tool and center align it. I will take a copy of this layer. Now I'll move this one to put it behind this. So there you go guys, that's how I make a that's it guys, that's how you can design a post for your Facebook in Adobe Photoshop. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section as well. If you like the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.